Welcome. Now I am going to discuss the program to find the simple interest and compound interest. The formula for simple interest is PTR divided by 100, that is principal amount, time taken or duration, and the rate of interest whole divided by 100. And the formula for compound interest is principal amount into 1 plus r by 100 to the power of t. Always the execution of a program starts from main function. Here we are using the local variables p, t, r, si, amount, ci. P and t are integer data types. R, si, amount, ci are floating data types. Integer data type accepts only the whole numbers. Floating data type accepts decimal values and also the whole numbers. The next statement is a printf statement. In case of printf statement, whatever the thing we are typing or writing within the double quotes, the same thing will be displayed on the output screen. Here I wrote, please enter principal, time and rate of interest. It will display as it is on the output screen. Next statement, scanf statement. The scanf is used for the purpose of reading the values from the keyboard. Here I am reading PTR. P is used as the integer data type, so the format specifier for P is %d. T is the integer data type, the format specifier is %d. And R is the floating data type, so the format specifier is %f. So depending on the data type of a variable, we are mentioning the format specifier in scanf statement. So now we got the values for PTR. After reading the values of PTR, we can identify the simple interest. So the formula we are mentioning in the next line, that is PTR divided by 100. That it will be calculated and assigning to the variable si. Next I got the value of a simple interest that I am going to display by using the printf statement. Simple interest is equal to %f. So since we are using the floating data type si, so %f, and whichever the variable I am printing, that we need to mention, so that is si. Now I got the si value and also I displayed on the output screen. My agenda of the program, I need to print again the compound interest, and before that we need to calculate it. The formula for compound interest, we need to write it now. That is principal amount into this POW is the mathematical function used for mentioning the power function, that is 1 plus r divided by 100 whole to the power of t. That will be multiplied with p. Those values will be calculated and assigning to the amount temporary variable. That amount will be deducted from principal amount, so it will leads to the compound interest. Now I got the compound interest value. Now I need to display it. This is same procedure as simple interest printf statement. Here we calculated by using the variable ci, so ci will be displayed by using the printf statement. Thank you.